Hello everyone. So today we'll be studying how to add functions. कुछ formula अगर add करना है तो वो कैसे करेंगे. So here I have made a worksheet in which I have added this 5 students names and their subject English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Math, Science, SS, Computer and Total. Okay, these are the columns which I have made. And I have added the marks. Now, calculating this marks on a calculator and then typing it over here, it's a hectic job. If I change the marks over here afterwards. So again I'll have to calculate all the, I'll have to total this and then I'll have to type over here. So in this OpenOffice.org Calc, we have a feature. We have some functions, already added functions we have. We just have to add over here. So how will we do that? Suppose I want to calculate the total marks of the first student, that is Nisha. So I want the total over here. I'll select this cell, click on insert menu, and function. So you get this dialog box. It's like dialog box आ जाता है. Over here in functions you will have to search for sum. S-U-M, sum. Here it is. So just double click on this. Double click on sum. So on the right side something such will appear. Now what is this? Number 1, number 2 जिसका total करना है वो. Now I don't know the cell address. So what can I do? Just click on this shrink button over here for the first number and click on the first cell जो है English है ना. Over here see B4 has appeared. Again maximize it. See B4 appears over here. Then the second number, इसका भी cell address नहीं पता है. Shrink. Second is Hindi, right? So click on this cell. तो इसका cell address, that is C4 आ गया है. And then again maximize. The third will be E4, right? Then fourth F4. Fifth number will be G4. Then G, then one second, H4, and then maximize. So all the subjects are added and then just click on OK button. Click on OK button. So the total appears over here. If suppose I make some changes over here, I'll make it 75 suppose. The total is 441, so it should be 431, right? If I make it 75. See if I change it to 75 and enter. The total changes. So I don't need to again add the formula and change it. This was one way to add this sum. The other way is you can directly type the function. Direct आप लोग formula type कर सकते हो. If you know the correct spelling, बिना mistake के. Over here, this formula bar, click. सबसे पहले select this cell. ये जो cell है, इसे select करो और यहाँ पे formula bar में. Over here I will type equal to sum. अब मुझे sum calculate करना है, right? In round brackets. What will you write in round brackets? क्या करोगे? ये first cell select करना है. Over here see English से लेके कंप्यूटर तक मैंने सिलेक्ट कर लिया है एंड देन एंटर. जस्ट अ मिस्टेक. इक्वल टू sum the first cell, click and drag till the last cell, C, and then close round bracket and enter key. See, the total appears. Equal to sum round bracket, the first cell address, that is B. What will be the first cell address? 6, right? B6. The third वाले के लिए B6 is the first cell address. Then colon H6 and close round bracket. Press enter key. So this is how you can use formula over here. Now suppose मैंने एक बार ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर दिया है एंड अगेन आई डोंट वांट टू टाइप. हर बार आप नए नए सेल के लिए देर आर सपोज 50 स्टूडेंट्स, सो 50 टाइम्स यू विल एंटर दी फॉर्मूला. नो. सो फॉर दिस यू हैव वन मोर फीचर. सी, ये मेरा ये फर्स्ट सेल में मैंने फॉर्मूला डाल दिया है. ओवर हियर व्हेन आई टेक माय कर्सर ओवर हियर, सी स्मॉल प्लस वाली साइन आ चुकी है यहाँ पे. सो आई विल जस्ट क्लिक एंड ड्रैग. See, the addition is applied. You can see over here sum of B5, C5, E5, F5, G5 and H5. Again for the third one, B6, C6, E6, F6, G and H. Here we have not added D. यहाँ पे ये mistake हो गई है ना. So what can we do? We will add B4 and colon. Just click and drag to copy the formula. Clear everyone? This is how you can copy formula. Now this was about sum. If you want to suppose calculate the average, if you want to calculate average, so how will you do that? Average, इसका फॉर्मूला है इक्वल टू AVE RAGE, एवरेज इन राउंड. सी ओवर हियर, यहाँ पे पहले से आ रहा है AVE RAGE and then in round bracket. Again here you will have to select the first cell till the last cell. See, English मैंने select किया, click and drag till computer, and then just click on enter. अपने आप यहाँ पे average आ जाएगा. That is 68.29 equal to average B4 to H4. Now if I want to copy for other students also, how will I do that? I'll take my cursor over here and just click and drag. So the same formula is applied to other cells also. The next function that we are going to study is over here. Suppose I want to know कि maximum कितने marks मिले हैं. What is the highest score in all the subjects? Suppose English के लिए. What is the maximum marks? If there are many students, then I'll have to calculate so much ना, कितना पूरा डेटा देखना पड़ेगा, फिर मुझे पता चलेगा कि किसको maximum marks मिले हैं. So here we have a formula equal to max. Maximum of what? Of English ना. So click and drag. इतने cells का हमें maximum calculate करना है. And then click on enter. See, 86 is the maximum marks. ठीक है. Now again if I want to copy this same formula over here, यहाँ पे click and drag for other subjects also. Till average I'll calculate the maximum. Now what is the maximum average? 81. Maximum of total कितने हैं? 567. In computer what is the maximum marks? 87. Over here in SS it is 96. So likewise you can calculate the maximum, whatever maximum किसी भी चीज का maximum amount भी calculate कर सकते हो. Now ये तो सारे inbuilt formulas है. If you want to apply your own formula, खुद का अगर formula apply करना है तो वो भी आप लोग कर सकते हो. If suppose now I want to do total, it is 476. अब suppose मुझे इसका percentage निकालना है, so I'll have to apply my own formula. So what will I do? Percentage over here, the percentage one equal to total is I4. It is in I4 cell na, I4 cell address, divide by, there are 7 subjects, so 700 into 100 to calculate the percentage. I4 into 100 divide by 700. This will be the percentage formula. Over here just click and drag. So this is how you can apply your own formula. If you want to know that कितने marks कम मिले, suppose there were total 700 ना, suppose now the students over here, the total is 476. So if you want to calculate कि 700 total is 700, तो उसको कितने कम marks मिले हैं, कितने marks कटे हैं. So what can you do for that? You can apply the formula equal to 700 minus whatever the cell is, suppose this total, and click on enter. So he got 222 marks less. इतने marks कटे हैं उसके. Similarly for others you have to just click and drag. So this is how you can apply your own formula also. अपना कुछ भी अपना एक function बना सकते हो, कुछ भी calculations कर सकते हो over here in this openoffice.org calc. This was about functions in openoffice.org calc. Now the next thing is our sheet. See, एकदम simple लग रही है. It is not that attractive ना, so you can make your sheet attractive. You can make it attractive. How? You can format the sheet. Suppose over here I have selected these 2 cells. Click on format cells. When you click on format cells, ऐसा एक dialog box आ जाएगा. So in this numbers tab, in the numbers tab you can select any, all, user defined numbers, percentage, currency, date. If you select on date, suppose आप लोगों ने कुछ date enter की है तो वो किस format में आएगी, see, वो सारी चीजें आ जाती है यहाँ पे. See, you have different format available over here. So we'll keep it over numbers only. Then you can change the font. Click on font tab. You can change the font. Suppose Arial, I want to make it bold and I'll increase the size to 15. Okay. Then over here in font effect, if you want to underline it, strike through. Font color if you want to change, Suppose I make the font color as Turkish, and then alignment, you can change the alignment of the text also. Text alignment, suppose I'll make it center, heading है ना, so I'll make it center. Then we can even apply borders over here. Select the border. If I want thick border, whatever border, you have many options for border. Select the border. Here you can change the color also of the border. I'll keep it black only. Then background. Now cell background, you can change the cell background. Suppose I have kept it yellow, and then click on OK. See? So you likewise you can format your cells. जितने cells करने हैं उतने आप लोग select करके वो कर सकते format. You can apply different formatting for different cells. Now suppose ये सिर्फ marks वाले हैं. These are only the marks of English to computer. For this, format cells. Then I'll change the font. Font size will keep it 10. Font effect. Then over here, background, and select the background color, any color, and click on OK. The background color has changed. So likewise you can format the whole spreadsheet using the format menu. Go to format cells. So that was all about this chapter. Thank you everyone.